Cones and pyramids. Frustum of a pyramid or cone is a portion of a pyramid included between the base and the section parallel to the base not passing through the vertex. So you have this picture. You have this E2. E2, the area of the upper of the frustum, E1, the lower area. Also for the cone, E2, the upper, and of course E1, the lower area. And the distance between the bases E2 and E1 is so-called h, or height. So for the formulas, for a regular pyramid, either a cone or a frustum of a pyramid, a cone, or either the regular pentagon, volume should be equal to 1/3 quantity E1 plus E2 plus square root of E1 and E2. Of course, the whole expression multiplied by h. And the lateral area equals to L there, or is equals is times P1 plus P2 all over 2, where is a slant height, or we have that 1 all over 2 in A plus B times L, where AL is the lateral area, L the slant height, and N is the number of the lower bases. For the right circular cone, the same thing. Formula is volume equal to 1/3 quantity E1 plus E2 plus square root of E1 E2 times h, where h there is the vertical height, d the diameters, and r of course the radius. So we'll take up example 1. A bucket 15-meter high is in the shape of a frustum of a right circular cone with diameter 20, this one, diameter 20, and 12 at the bottom. So 12 at the bottom, so 20, you have 10 radius, and this one is 12, you have 6 meter radius. So let's take up the solution. So this one is 15 meters high, so you have that one. This one is 15 meters, so 15 meters high. This one is you have 10 meters, where this one you have 6 meters radius. So find the slant height. This one slant height, or L. So solution. So letter A for the slant height L equals to square root of 15 square plus 4 square. 10 minus 6 is 4, so you have that one 4 square. So your L equivalent to 15.52 meter. So for the slant height, or for lateral surface area, lateral letter B, lateral LA is equivalent to pi times R plus R times L equals to pi times 10 plus 6 times 15.54 equivalent to 780.33 meter square. For the total surface area, so for the letter C, total surface area. Equivalent to pi times 10 square pi times 10 square plus pi times 6 square plus 780.33 equivalent to 1207.58 meter square. For the letter D, volume, V is equivalent to 1/3 R square plus R square plus square root of plus RR. So this one is plus RR plus RR equivalent to 1/3 10 square plus 6 square plus 10 times 6, of course, times the height 15 times 15 the height, so equivalent to 980 meter cube. If the diameter of the bases of frustum per right circular cone are 12 and 8 centimeter, and the slant height is 12 centimeter, what is its entire area? So the upper part, your R here is equivalent to this one is 8 centimeter diameter, so you have that 4. So this one is D the small one, diameter 12 centimeter and 8, so this one small one is 8 centimeter and the big one equivalent to 12 centimeter. So letter A, what is its entire area? So you have that one, convex area. Convex area, or LA, equivalent to 12 times pi plus 8 pi all over 2 times 12 so your LA equals to 376.99 centimeter squared. Base area or basis area equivalent to h square plus pi times 12 square equivalent to 163.37 centimeters squared. So entire area (376.37 plus 163.37 0.99, so entire area equivalent to 540.00 centimeters squared. So for number 3, the volume of a frustum cone whose upper and lower bases are 8 and 12 centimeters in diameters and whose altitude is 15 meters. So this one, R1 equals to lower bases are 8 centimeters. So this one is 8 centimeters. Oh, since R, this one will be 4 centimeters. And your R2 would be equivalent to 12. So this one is 6 centimeters. Of course, the height would be equivalent to 15 centimeters. So, solution. Area 1 equals to pi over 4 times h square equals to 50.27 centimeters square, and your A2 equals to pi over 4 times 12 square, 113.10 centimeters squared. So volume equals to h all over 3 times E1 plus E2 plus square root of E1 E2, so equivalent to 15 all over 3 15 all over 3 times 50.27 plus 113.10 plus square root of 50.27 times 113.10. So your volume equivalent to 1194 centimeters squared. Find the lateral area of a frustum of a right triangular pyramid in which each side of the lower base is 10 meters On each side, well, the upper base is 6 meters and whose slant height is 9 meters. So right triangular pyramid. So you have this one, solution. So we have this one is lower base, you have 10 meters, 10 meters, one is 10 meters, this one is 6 meters, 6 meters. So solution, perimeter of lower base, equals to 30 meters. Upper base equals to 18 meters. Lateral area LE equals to is or P plus P1 plus P2 all over 2 times, of course, 9 equivalent to 30 plus 18 all over 2 times 9 equivalent to 216 meters squared. So you have the solution number 5. Storage 14 feet high is in the form Frustum cone. If the diameters of the bases are 14 feet and 16 feet, respectively, find its volume capacity in gallons. So we have this one. Solution letter A. Volume equals to 1/3 pi r square plus r square plus rr, course times height, is equivalent to pi all over 12 times d squared plus d squared plus d times d times its pi over 12 times 16 squared plus 14 squared plus 16 times 14 is equivalent to 2477.67 cubic meters. For the letter B here equals to 2477 all over at times 7.48. So equivalent to 2477, 18,527.98 gallons. This one number 8. So solution. Find the volume of frustum. Find the volume of frustum for regular pyramid. Whose area of bases are 12 inches squared to 16 and the height is 8 meters. So we are in solution. So the area of this one base is equivalent to 16 inches squared. And this upper part B equals to 12 inches squared. And the height equivalent to 8 inches. So solution would be volume equals to 1/3 times B plus square root of BB times height. So 1/3 times 12 plus 16 plus square root of 12 times 16 times, of course, 8, equivalent to 111.62 inches cubed. For number 7, a hole is to be dug in a form frustum pyramid. The top is to be square of side 8 feet. So this side here is 8 feet. This one is square, so 8 feet. And the bottom is, you have this one 4 feet. The depth of the hole is to be 5 feet, so the height of this one is 5 feet. Find the volume of the earth to be removed. So solution. So 8 and 4. So 8 5 feet and E1 there equivalent to 8 times 8 square. So solution. Volume equals to H all over 3 times E1 plus E2 plus square root of E1 E2 equivalent to 5 over 3 64 plus 16 plus square root of 64 and 16 equivalent to 186.67. This one is feet cube. For this number 8, a wooden platform, so this one is 4 meters, 8 meters, 4 meters. So find if each of the lateral faces is inclined angle 60 degrees to the base, find the volume of the wooden platform. So your solution. So we have this one, but draw first from the figure. From the figure, tangent 60 equivalent to h all over 2. Your h equals to 2 tangent 60 equivalent to 3.46 meters. So volume equals to 1/3 h times E1 plus E2 plus square root of E1 E2. So equivalent to 1/3 times 3.46 times 16 plus 64 plus square root of 16 and 64, so equivalent to 129.32 meters squared.